Hello students. In previous video, we have learned how to divide 4-digit number by a single digit number and how to check the answers. Now today, we will learn how to divide 4-digit number by 2-digit number. So let us take one example. Divide 9856 by 23. Now here you can see you have to divide 4-digit number by 2-digit number. The problem is that you don't know the multiplication table of 23. So how can you divide? Now the question comes in your mind that you don't know the table of 23. Then how is it possible to divide this number by 23? So now today I will tell you how to divide the number by the number whose multiplication table you don't know. So let us start dividing. 9856 divided by 23. Now what you can do is, first of all, make a table on your rough side. जब आपको टेबल नहीं आता किसी नंबर का, तो आपने सबसे पहले उसका टेबल बनाना है. There are two options. Either start from, एक तो लॉन्ग मेथड है जिसमें आपने पूरा टेबल बनाना है, और एक शॉर्टकट, थोड़ा सा शॉर्टकट मेथड है, उसमें आप सबसे पहले आप 23 5 करके देखिए, सो दैट आपको पता चल जाए कि मुझे 23 5 से नीचे जाना है, मुझे 23 5 से ऊपर जाना है. और सेकंड ऑप्शन है कि आप पूरा टेबल बना लीजिए अपने राइट साइड में, रफ, दैट इज रफ साइड. राइट साइड को आपका रफ आप काम कर सकते हैं, दैट इज फॉर रफ योर. Now here, first thing is how many digits you will take. So for 2-digit number, obviously single digit number is less than the 2-digit number. So we have to take at least 2 digits. क्योंकि single digit number हमेशा ही छोटा होता है 2-digit number से. For example, here 9. 9 is smaller than 23. So हमें starting में नंबर जो है वो डिवाइजर से बड़ा या इक्वल होना चाहिए, ये कंडीशन है. सो 9 इज स्मॉलर देन 23, so we have to take 2 digits. As I have already told you that single digit number is always smaller than the 2-digit number, so we have to take at least 2 digits in the first step. So now it is 98. Now we have to recite the table of 23 till 98. So 23 ones are 23. Everyone knows that whenever we multiply any number by 1, we will get the number itself. So 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कभी भी, और 10 से भी मल्टीप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज हम सिंगल डिजिट ही लेते हैं ऑलवेज. सो यू हैव टू मेक द टेबल फ्रॉम 23 2s to 23 9s, 9 तक, 2 to 9 only. Now if you want to make proper table, then 23 1s are 23, you all know. 23 2s are, so 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now 23 3s are 3 3 are 9, and 3 2s are 6. Then 23 4s are 4 3s are 12, and 4 3 8 plus 1 is 9. And then 23 5s are 5 3 are 15, 1, and 5 3 are 10 plus 1 is 11. So here is 115. Now you can see here that we have to recite the table till 98, and 23 4s are 92 is smaller whereas 23 5s are 115 is greater. So which number we will take? Smaller or greater? Because 98 23 के टेबल में नहीं आया. We have seen here 92 or 115. There are two numbers. So we will take which number? We always take the smaller one. So 23 4s are 92. We will write 23 4s are 92. Subtract it. What is left is 6. Now what will come down? The procedure of division is same. Only the thing is you don't know the table of 23. Only the problem is that. Otherwise जैसा आप सिंगल डिजिट में डिवाइड कर रहे थे प्रोसीजर सेम है. बस आपने एक टेबल यहाँ पर बनाना है. Otherwise it is very easy because it is same as you have already done in worksheet number 2. One digit will come down. Now we have to reset the table till 65. Now here 92 is greater, 23 3 is a 69 is again greater. Now 23 2 is a 46. Now which number we will take? 46 or 69? Yes, the smaller one. 69 is greater, so we will take 46. So 23 2 is a 46. Now subtract it. What will left is, here it will we will borrow, so it will become 15. So it is 9, and what will left over here is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 19. Now what will come down is 6. Now 196. So we have seen here that 23 5 the 115 is quite smaller. So we will move to the next digit. 23 5 the 115, 23 6 7 8 9. So if you want to make whole table, then you can, because you are doing it first time. So I will make whole table for you. पूरा टेबल बना देता हूँ. अदरवाइज मैं आपको कुछ शॉर्टकट्स बताऊंगा जिससे आप थोड़ा और फास्ट कर पाएंगे. पर फॉर एज यू आर डूइंग इट फर्स्ट टाइम, सो आई विल मेक द कंप्लीट टेबल फॉर यू. 23 6 6 3 18. 6 12 plus 1 is 13, 138. Now 23 7 7 3 21. 2 7 14, 15 16, 161. Then 23 8 8 3 24. 8 2 16, 17 18. Now 23 9 9 3 27, 9 3 18, 19 20. And हमें सिर्फ सिंगल डिजिट तक ही बनाने होते हैं टेबल्स. सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट टेबल ऑफ 23. So here we have already made it. Now we can easily do the division when we know the table. Now here we have to recite the table of 23 till 196. Now see here, 23 9 is 207, which is greater, and 23 8 is 184, that is smaller than 196. So which number we will take? We will take 184. So 23 8 is 184. We will take 8 is 184. Subtract it. So here it is 2 and it is 1 0. Now there is no other digit left to come down. अब कोई भी digit नहीं बची है नीचे आने के लिए. So this is our remainder. So here is the remainder. And this is our quotient. Now I hope that you will find it easier after making the table on the right side and your rough part. You can easily do the division by 2-digit number. Now let us start the worksheet number 3 of unit 4. So here is the first question, that is very easy. 7,982 divided by 11. Why easy? Because we all know the table of 11. And I have already told you that learn the tables टिल 20 तक के टेबल्स तो आपको याद होने ही चाहिए. And I am again repeating, you have a lot of time. Daily revise the tables. So now 11 का टेबल तो जिसको 9 तक के टेबल नहीं आते उसको भी 10, 11 का टेबल आता है. So very easy first question. Let us do this question. 7,982. So we'll start with worksheet number. Worksheet number 3. Now here is question number 1. A part. You have to divide 7,982 divided by 11. So let us divide it. 7,982 divided by 11. Now I have already told you that single digit is always less than the 2-digit number. So I have to take at least 2 digits. So 7 is smaller, so I have to take 2 digits, 79. So I have to recite the table of 11 till 79. So you all know the table of 11. 11 sevens are 77 and 11 eights are 88. So 11 sevens are 77 because 11 eights 88 is greater. So subtract it. Here is 2 left. What will come down is 8. Now recite the table of 11 till 28. 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33. So 11 2s are 22. Subtract it. What is left is 6. What will come down is 2. Now recite the table of 11 till 62. So 11 5s are 55 and 11 6s are 66. 11 6s are 66 is greater, so we will write 11 5s are 55. What is left is 7 0 because we have taken the borrow, so it becomes 12, and what is left over here is 5. 5 minus 5 0 and 12 minus 5 is 7. So no other digit is left to come down. So this is our remainder and this is the quotient. So this is a very simple question because we all know the table of 11. Now we will do one more question for you. Next B part is also easy because here you have to divide the number by 12 and you know the table of 12. Those who have learned the table of 12, it's fine. If you have not learned, then learn it. And suppose you forgot the table in the exam, then what you will do? You will make that table on the right side. But वो condition आनी नहीं चाहिए. Learn the tables till 20. वो मैंने तब बोला है राइट साइड में टेबल बनाने को अगर आपको वो टेबल लर्न नहीं है. So we will do the D part. So it's 9,000 D part. It's 9,826 divided by 37. Now here we don't know the table of 37 because अगर हमने learn भी किए होंगे तो 20 तक ही किए होंगे, उससे ज़्यादा हम table generally learn नहीं करते. So what we will do now? What I have told you, just write the table, make the table on the right side, that is in your rough part. Here on the right side you do the rough work. Now divide it. 9,826 divided by 37. Now 37 ones are 37, you all know, so we will start with 37 twos are, then 37 threes are, 37 fours are, 37 fives are. So 37 twos are 2 sevens are 14, 1, 3 twos are 6 plus 1 is 74. 37 threes are 3 sevens are 21, 3 3 are 9 plus 2 is 11. Next 4 sevens are 28, 2 carry over, 4 3 are 12, 13 14, and 5 sevens are 30, 5 5 are 15, 16, 17 and 18. For the time being, we'll write table till 5 only. If it is required, then we will move further. Now 37, we have to recite the table till 98, table of 37 till 98. So see, you can see here 37 3s are 111, that is greater. So we will take 37 2s are 74. 74. Subtract it. So here is 8 minus 4 is 4 and 9 minus 2 is 2. Now what will come down is 2. Now you have to recite the table of 37 till 242. Now you can see here that 37 5 is a 185, that is smaller than 242. So we will make the table again beyond 5. So 37 6 then 37 7 37 6 7 6 are 42. Here is 4. 6 3 are 18 plus 4 is 22. Then 7 7s are 49. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 is 25. Now here you can see 37 7s are 259, that is greater than 242. So we will take 37 6 are 222. So 37 6 are 222. Subtract it. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. And again 2 minus 2 is 0. What will come down is 6. Now we have to recite the table of 37 till 206. Now you can see here 37 6 are 222 is greater than 206. So we will take 37 5 are 185. So we'll write 37 5 are 185. Now again subtract it. Here is 1. We'll borrow from here, it will become tens, so it is 21. Now there is no other digit left to come down, so this is the remainder and this is our quotient. So in this way you can divide a 4-digit number by 2-digit number by making the multiplication table on the right side. So you can try 2 parts B and C. That is your assignment, and the remaining parts of not the remaining part but only the 2 parts B and C, and we will try to solve the next parts tomorrow and also divide and check the answer. Thank you.